Hello students, in the video of this database management system, we have to see these many topics in our practical area where we have to find out the difference between data and information. I think you all know the concept of data comes from the collection of facts or the raw materials. The singular form of data is datum. When processing is performed on this data is transformed into information. That means the data is the input and the processed data that finds itself inside the computer is known as information. Okay, let us see how to create a field, record, table in database, how to prepare a table. For that, we have to see few of the things. What is field? Field means the different columns, the different headings we are having on the top of every table, that is called as fields. Okay, same way the record is nothing but the collection of data in a particular row. It is also called as tuple. Okay, let us open a database. This is the database we are using, OpenOffice, and we have to click on select database. If you want to create a new database, then click on new, otherwise open an existing database. Let us open create a new, then click on next. When I will click on next, it will ask for the yes, register the data for me. Do it yes, finish. If not, you can do it or you can click it anywhere else. No, do not register. Let us see, it is asking, waiting for the database name. We have to give a database name here. For example, just give a database as Devghar. Okay, I am saving it here. Where it will be saved? Inside document. Previously I had also created one more database as school. Let us see. Now it has been created, and once it is created, it will be opened. Let us see. This is the starting screen. Let it open. See at the top, here it is written devghar.odb. ODB is the extension name for Open Office Database, and Devghar is the database name. Now here in this part, in a database, we are having four different categories as like table, query, forms, and reports. First of all, we have to create the form. For creating the form, we are having options here as like create table in design view, use wizard to create table, or create view. First of all, design view, create table in design view. Click over here. When I will click over here, it will ask for the field name and the field type. What type of data type you will use for that particular field, you have to type it here. Okay, for example, or student ID, it must be numeric. Here, by clicking over it, you will get all the data types used here. Do it numeric. Okay, now come to the next particular field. Give it student name. What type of it will be? Data type it will accept. It will accept text or text varchar. Two types of materials we are having. Ignore case. Okay, These three. In text we are having three different options, but default we will use text varchar, which is given here. Now I have to assign one primary key also. For that, click over here, right click on this part and click on primary key. When you will click on primary key, you will see that a key symbol is present here. Along with that, we have to give the few of the additional properties. It may be given or may not be. It is optional for us. We had discussed length, decimal place, default value, and format example. For next one, for this particular field also text field, entry required, length, default value, format example. No need to give anything. Just save our file, save our table. Table is student table. Let the table is name is student inside school database. Okay. Now it has been saved and created. See, in this place one table has been created. Okay. Click on it. You will see that that particular file, that particular student table is ready to accept data now. See student ID and student name. Student ID, let it be, name is Ram. Next, Rahul. Next is Mohit. In this way, we will just give the data and save it. Okay. The data has been saved. Now this one is student ID and student name. These two are called as the fields. Okay. And 4545 and Ram. 4545 is the ID of Ram. 2344 is the ID of Rahul. 5670 is the ID of Mohit. These three, they are called as data, and in a row it is called as record. In this way, we can create our file, we can see the materials, we can set the primary key. Okay, as we are having in our topic 1 of this particular chapter, database management system. Okay, this much for this video. Next video we will discuss how to do the materials related to topic 2. See here, identify the primary key, composite key, foreign key. When we will create two or more tables, then on that time we will see how to create composite primary key or the foreign key. Okay, this topic is create and edit table using wizard and SQL commands. Okay, this will be discussed